Are you looking to ship your car from one state to another but don't know how to carry out this process? Rapid Auto Shipping can help you overcome this situation. We offer affordable and professional car shipping services for all types of vehicles, including exotic, classic, antique, and luxury cars. We provide fast and efficient cross-country and short-distance car shipping services, ensuring every vehicle arrives at its destination in a responsible manner. Our experienced team of car and auto movers handles every shipment carefully. To make the process easier, we provide a car shipping cost calculator free of charge. Along with this tool, our customer support is available around the clock and just one call away. We offer door-to-door services designed to make your car shipping experience as convenient and hassle-free as possible. We pick up your vehicle from your doorstep and deliver it directly to your designated location, ensuring a seamless process from start to finish. As a top-rated car transport company, we are known for our excellent customer service and reliable vehicle transportation. We are not saying this. Check out our customers' feedback on platforms like Trustpilot, Google Reviews, and Transport Review for verification. We also offer specialized services and discounts for military personnel, students, and senior citizens. So why wait any longer? Visit our website for affordable, fast, and trustworthy transportation solutions. Or give us a call at 833-233-4447 to get a quote and consultation according to your requirements. Let us help you ship your vehicle with peace of mind.